Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we have a vintage Ritepoint life lighter advertising Weigler Brothers products of Manchester, New Hampshire. This is a brushed chrome lighter with a synthetic advertising embellishment adhered to the case of the lighter. This is a lighter that a great friend of our channel has shown interest in, and I was reminded of this lighter last week when he purchased a couple of more lighters, and I wanted to send this lighter to him as a thank you. So I got this lighter back out. Just wanted to make sure that it was in good working order and that everything will be copacetic when he receives it, as I believe he was wishing to give this as a gift to a family member. Really cool lighter. This insert that is in this lighter was falling out when we had looked at this lighter before. So I took a pair of needle nose pliers. You may be able to see some of the protrusion on each side, where I just stuck those needle nose right inside of there and then opened them up so that they widened it out there a little bit. Don't believe that we did too much, but hopefully enough that that lighter case will retain the insert. The insert is obviously worn, has scratches across the face of the windscreen on both sides, but looks like it's a lot worse here on this side of the case, or this side of the windscreen, I should say. This is a brushed chrome plated brass case. I'm not sure. I believe that the insert is chrome plated, but whether or not it is brass I would not state for a certainty. It has a leaf spring system similar to the Park Industries system. If you are familiar with the Ritepoint view lighters, then it feels like that is being forced, and that's because it would be if I went ahead and closed that. This leaf spring can get over too far, and when it does, it won't give. It needs to be in the middle so that it will give when that protrusion on the lid comes up against it. Just something to keep an eye on if you've got life lighters of your own, or for the new owner of this one in particular. Here you can see that it does close and open as it's intended. But I was speaking about the material that the insert is made out of, and I do not know that for a certainty. Weigler Brothers products, Manchester, New Hampshire. Looks like a 3-color advertisement when you consider the red and blue of the actual graphic, then on the cream background. There were other manufacturers that used this sort of synthetic printed panel that was then glued or otherwise adhered to the case of the lighter. See the brushed chrome finish, along with the high polish of the top, sides, and spines. Top, bottom, and spine, I should say. So definitely some scuffs, scratches. There is a ding right there in the lid. Other imperfections, blemishes, scuffs, scratches, those sort of things. But we will go ahead. See that the lighter has a good spark. peel back our felt pad that is a little bit crumpled, some wear to it as well, and we will fuel this insert up. I think that's 4 drops. And we will give it a shot here after 6. I was asked this past week in comment section under one of the YouTube videos about the rubber gaskets that are made for the Zippo inserts and whether or not you were supposed to leave the felt pad on underneath that gasket. And I don't believe that that would be the case. The person that asked the question said they had asked everybody, including the manufacturer, and couldn't find an answer, but it seems clear to me that those rubber gaskets are a replacement for the felt cover pad. So just take your felt cover pad off your Zippo if you're putting one of those on. Probably won't fit on a Life Lighter or Park or any of these others, but if it were a Zippo, you would take that felt pad off, then put that rubber cover over that. You can see the case sliding down into, or I should say the insert sliding down into the case. And it's not just readily falling out like it had before. So I hope that I can get this one sent on its way. I intend this as a gift to one of our great friends of the channel, a fella who has blessed us on more than one occasion with a gift that we could show off here on the channel, and has constantly been a source of support both for the channel and myself in regards to purchasing the lighters that we sell at dependableflame.com/current eBay listings. All of those lighters are actually sold on eBay. You click through those links on our website, and I earn a commission from eBay on those as well. Always appreciative of those who purchase the lighters. That is our actual business here at dependableflame.com. I do all these repair videos and show and tell videos to support the other parts of the business that actually do make money. But that is what we're about, is repairing lighters, helping demonstrate to others how to do that as well, but also selling vintage working lighters for you to fill up, throw them in your pocket, take them out with you, and light up whatever it is that you smoke. Until next time.